Hey everybody, what's up? I'm Dave. This is Quarter Flips. I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't really feel like showing up on camera too much today. So I think what we'll do is I'll just go over the things that I sold in the last couple days. And I've got some errands to run. I'm gonna pack up the orders. So we'll take a look at that. I'm gonna run to the post office and ship them. Gotta go to Half Price Books and sell some stuff. And since I'm going out and we've been snowed in and I actually get a chance to go out again and be on the road and go into stores, I'm going to look for some of that retail arbitrage that I look for. Maybe even drop in on a thrift store, or two, or three. Gonna see if I can make something out of the day, out and about. But let's take a look at what I sold, and then we'll get on with things. Sold some clearance makeup. Elf Make Me Matte Foundation Adjuster. Got these for 99 cents a piece. Sold them together for $7.99 plus shipping. Sold some miniatures, of course. Here's a Ralpartha Troglodyte War Party. These sold for $8.99 plus shipping. And a lot of 6 high elves for Warhammer Fantasy by Citadel / Games Workshop. $10.99 plus shipping on those. Sold another Himsa Courting Tragedy and Disaster picture disc. I'm running out of these. $10.99 plus shipping on that one. Here's a large black t-shirt from Path of Resistance. It looks like this. $16.99 for that one. And a large burgundy t-shirt from Earth Crisis. This is a reprint from a t-shirt from the 90s. It sold for $26 after some bidding. And finally, I've got this Bella Sarah Classic box set. Now listen, this is, it says Journey into a Magical World of Horses. I saw this in a thrift store a couple weeks ago. It was $3. Still sealed in the shrink wrap. I couldn't find any information about it. It didn't show up on eBay. In this box set edition, this says 165 cards, all of the regular cards from Treasures, Royalty, and Bella's Ball. Treasures, Royalty, and Bella's Ball. So I had to learn about that real quick. Those were card sets. These are like, I don't know, trading cards, I guess? I don't think it's a game, but I don't know. All I know is horses are a big deal. This one's got wings. Yeah, if there were like Magic the Gathering or Pokemon style cards for horses, and they came in these box sets with these foil, like 5 shiny jumbo cards, a secret code for use at the website, and a 12x16 full color poster, I thought I would take a risk on it. I didn't think $3 was too much to risk, and I was right. It sold for $28.50 after some bidding plus shipping, and yeah, that seemed like a pretty good get for a brand new sealed item at the thrift store. I wish I could find these all the time. Horse cards. All right, so I gotta pack this stuff up and ship it. So let's do that real quick and get out the door. Let's get these to the post office. Okay, don't actually know if this thing's gonna start. Oh, starts right up. Okay, we're rolling. Okay. Now when I get home, I enter the tracking numbers. Gotta buy a battery, but I'll also see if we can make any retail arbitrage happen. The battery I'm looking for is real popular. Good thing I'm going to go to more of these stores today. Next stop, Half Price Books. So the only problem with half-price books that you have to wait in the store while they go through and get everybody priced ahead of you. It can take half hour, 45 minutes. Luckily, there's a lot of good stuff to look at while you're in here. Oops. 1865 today. They gave me 40 bucks at that half price book, $48 at that half price books for, once again, a pile of junk that I couldn't sell online, which was pretty cool. Mostly junk. Some of it was kind of cool, but none of it by itself was worth enough to do individual sales. And I found something. Usually I take all cash, but this time I used $8 trade-in, and I'll show you why. They had this in the case. I think it originally came in a box. It's weird. Blood Feast, Supreme Lord of Death. That's nice. Tactical Insight. I think that's a channel I've watched on YouTube before. Lord of Bones. And then this is cards, apparently. War Scroll cards. I haven't seen these before, but it was $8. And I looked online. Not a lot of these for sale, and they do sell, and there were sales of these for up to $40. That would be brand new still in the packaging, but this appears to be pretty brand new to me. Don't know why. I guess probably it came like this, shrink wrapped, just those cards on the back. Weird packaging idea. They should have made this slip case big enough to hold these counters, but that's all right. So I think that's probably a good deal too. I'll add that to the makeup for the day and we will continue on. Oh, I also got spotted at the counter in that half price books by an old friend. So, hey Kurt, good talking to you today. Still need that battery, so I'll check out the clearance section here too. Hey, look at that, 2025, they have it. No. So I did successfully get my battery, which was good. And do you know what? Just ignore this stuff. You didn't see anything. Moving on. All right, a little bit of grocery shopping, and I'm done. It's getting dark. My facial hair is all messed up from having to have the mask on all the time. All right, I came away with a fair amount of stuff. I think I've shown most of it as I was buying it. Honestly, when all was said and done today, it's not such a bad day. I needed to go mail stuff, as you saw earlier, so I had to be out anyway. I needed to drop by the bank. Didn't show that, but I did. I needed to get this battery to see if this remote would work. And I don't know yet. Probably going to do a video about this specifically, because if it does, it's going to be about making a video camera work to sell. And I might go over some details on that and see how that works out. So, another video for this. Overall, I was real happy about my makeup finds. These are standard Bartell Drugs, 99 cents a piece, on sale makeups. I'll lot them up probably in these 4 lots, and I'll make some decent money on those. Triple my money at least, probably. These were cool. Rock'em Sock'em Robots Pez, made by Funko. Funko made those, and they're limited edition, 79 cents a piece. I'll probably sell one for the price they sell for now, which will cover the cost of them. So I'll make like $3-4, and I'll throw the other 2 in a box and find them again in a few years, and maybe they'll be worth something. Got this great Warhammer War Scroll cards for the Legions of Nagash. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but those, yeah, I got that for $8. It was in the case at Half Price Books. Had them take it out, checked it out. It seems complete and in very, very nice shape. I'm gonna say I'm probably gonna bring in minimum $20 on that. And then the CDs, yeah, they weren't the best buy. I have to be honest. I'd probably make my money back on the In Excess and the Midnight Oil, or get a couple bucks, and that'll be great because I'm gonna need a couple bucks to deal with this Chris Isaak. It's BMG. It is a club version, but no one cares, and that's too bad. Chris Isaak's cool. I liked him in Firewalk with Me. Maybe I'll have to give this thing a listen to see if there's any reason any reason at all to pay attention to this CD. But probably, honestly, what's probably going to happen is this is probably going to get thrown in a box with a bunch of other worthless CDs, and it'll go back to half price books at some point on another run when I've got more things to take in and do this whole process over again. But anyway, I'm pretty happy with the way it worked out. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks.